Hi guys, I'm Raunak. CM Punk and Drew McIntyre have been in a long-term rivalry for more than 6 months. They have been carrying the feud since CM Punk's WWE return, where they began their rivalry over the winning Royal Rumble pay-per-view and main eventing WrestleMania pay-per-view. However, it went personal after CM Punk's WrestleMania dream came to an end after injury and Drew McIntyre used the opportunity to take the spot. Although both had a lot of things to worry about, they never let their rivalry down. However, it certainly became the best feud in WWE. So in this video, I will mention 3 reasons why CM Punk vs Drew McIntyre is the best WWE feud in 2024. So let's get started without wasting any time. The rivalry between CM Punk and Drew McIntyre peaked after CM Punk got written off from in-ring competition due to an injury. Although CM Punk is not cleared to compete, both sold their feud and the microphone. Their Tom and Jerry played out well as both kept mentioning each other's name every time possible and mocking each other on their inabilities. Drew McIntyre took credit for CM Punk's injury and CM Punk took credit for Drew McIntyre's title losses. They built the story for a long time, making themselves the headline of the show just by an appearance and with the promos. Their storytelling and selling played a major role in making it the best feud of 2024. Both CM Punk and Drew McIntyre are eagerly waiting to have their hands on each other to beat each other inside the ring. Drew McIntyre took the fight first by attacking CM Punk by stomping his injured arm. CM Punk in return took him down at WrestleMania 40 pay-per-view with the arm braces. Although things went personal, they didn't see each other due to injuries. The main thing that makes CM Punk vs Drew McIntyre their best feud of WWE is the extreme ego between the two. The two biggest egos made their opponent life rent-free on their minds all the time. They always kept focusing on becoming the nightmare for the other. It's CM Punk's ego that made him travel miles across the sea to Glasgow, Scotland for Clash at the Castle pay-per-view and cost Drew McIntyre his World Heavyweight Championship match in front of the home crowd. On the other hand, Drew McIntyre traveled to CM Punk's hometown Chicago, Illinois for SmackDown and brutally assaulted him in front of his home crowd. All this make it one of the best feuds of 2024, overshadowing all the major storylines and the championship feuds disappearing from the competition when compared to them. So guys, are you enjoying this rivalry? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. I'll be back with new interesting videos. Check out the other videos. Thanks for watching this and see ya.